Current Affairs. Today's headlines. August 25, 2022. India. CM Nitish Kumar's Mahagath Bandhan Alliance wins trust vote in Bihar Assembly 160-0. Haryana. PM inaugurates 6,000 crore rupees Amrita Hospital of Mata Amritanandamaya Math in Faridabad. Transgender persons to get holistic health services under Ayushman Bharat PMJAY. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Ministry of Social Justice signs MO with NHA. S. Shankar calls on President of Brazil Jair Bolsonaro in Brasilia. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh attends Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) Defense Ministers meeting at Tashkent, Uzbekistan. I&B Minister Anurag Thakur launches Azadi Quest app, a series of online mobile games on the heroes and milestones of Indian freedom. Economy and Corporate. Finance Ministry makes unauthorized publication of export-import data compoundable offense. Center implements 1. Nation 1 fertilizer plan under Bharat brand. Printing question paper exempt from GST, but not answer booklet. Rules AAR, Authority for Advance Rulings. International Conference on Indian Minerals and Metals Industry held in New Delhi on August 23–24. RBI lifts restrictions on American Express imposed in May 2021 for not complying with payments data storage rules. World. Thailand. PM Prayuth Chan-o-cha suspended by Constitutional Court from office amid term limit row. U.S. President Joe Biden marks Ukraine's Independence Day with $3 BN military